Hi everyone, my name is Jana Sergio and this is Office for Assistants. Today I will show you how to use if and ifs function. For example, when you want to find out category of each participant or you want to calculate some taxes. Enjoy the video! Here we have a list of participants. We know their age, but we want to know the age category. The categories are adult. Adult is everybody who is older than 18, and the second category is children. We want to find out the age category for each participant. For this, we will use the if function. We can open the function window. And here, logical test in our case is the age has to be greater or equal to 18. If the value is true, I want that Excel will write adult in this cell. If the value is false, I want that Excel will write children. Don't forget to write quotes if your value is text. And we can see that the result is correct. If I want to copy the formula to other cells, I just double-click on the corner. In this sheet, we have the payroll records of the previous month. We want to find out the income tax, and we have two different tax rates. For this, we will use the ifs function. The first logical test is if the pay is greater than or equal to 2,500, we will use the 40% tax rate. For this, we will click on Pay and write greater than or equal to 2,500, and value is that pay will be multiplied by 40%. Then, if I will copy the formula to other cells, I want that this cell remains still the same. For this, I will add the dollar signs. Second logical test, I want that if the pay is less than 2,500, the tax rate will be 35%. I can easily just copy the first logical test and I will write less and the value I just copy, and this is L5, so I will just change. And I will copy the formula to other cells.